Good evening, friends. Myself, Pankaj Sampath Gholab, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Art Science and Commerce College, Rauri. Today, I will teach you how to find limit of the function by using Sage Mathematics software. So, I will open the window of Sage Mathematics software here. It will take some time to open. Today, we'll see how to find limit of the function at different points, right, by using Sage Mathematics software. Also, we'll see the graphical representation of given function so that we get the complete idea of the limit, the limit concept of the function. This is the window of Sage Mathematics software. Here, by using this plus sign, we can give the input to the this software, and I will write here heading of this lecture, limit of the function, right? Okay, so I will make this as a heading. By clicking on this heading, it will become bold, and we can write in a different colors. This is the in blue color. Right now I will insert a function here. Function f of x equal to, I will put a sign of x upon x. This is my function, right? Sin of x upon x. Okay, I will find limit. So in a Sage Mathematics software, here is command is limit, right, of f of x. Then I will find limit of the this function at point x equal to 0. This is a standard result. You know that uh, limit x tends to 0, sin x upon x is always 1. You know that. Okay, by using the L'Hospital rule. So by using Sage Mathematics software, it will be 1 or not. Yes, you can see here on the screen the value of this function is 1. Now we'll see the by graphically what is the meaning of limit. We'll see here. So I will plot the graph of f of x, right. I will mention here x range from -2 to 2, so we get the visible. Okay, now I will take the figure size also. It should be small. Okay, so I will take the figure size 4, and I will see the output of this function. What is the graph of this function, right? You can see the on this at x equal to 0, the value of the function is 1, right? In this way we can miss what limit of this function is 1. At x equal to 0, limit of the function is 1, right? This is the meaning of limit of the function. Now you can take the different functions. I will take here next example, x upon absolute value of x, right? So I will you can directly find out the limit here. I will find limit of the function. Here we will find the output by pressing shift and enter sign. Enter x equal to 0. What happened x equal to 0? The function is undefined. So answer must be here undefined, right? Correct. The output is undefined. So next I will. We can also find out left hand limit, right hand limit. Why undefined? So we'll take right hand limit and left hand limit of this function at x equal to 0. So for a right hand limit, you have to put here dir direction along what positive means what right hand limit. So what is the value of right hand limit? Definitely it will be 1. Next, then I will find left hand limit. So I will put here again this f of x. You can copy and paste also here, x equal to 0, and direction is, I will take direction equal to negative. So left hand limit. So this value is -1. Okay, here you can, just by clicking we get the answer here. Now I will plot the graph of this function. Why? It is undefined, right? So we'll see at I will give the range of x range of this graph. You can take -3 to 3. Okay, no problem. And I will take figure size equal to 5, right? And we will see the output of this function. So the output is of this function is graph of this function is like this. Okay. At x equal to 0, when x tends to 0, the value of function is 1 and -1. So at point x equal to 0, the value of function is either 1 or -1. We cannot say definitely the value of this function is 1, exactly 1. Okay, that's why the limit of this function is does not exist. Okay, now we'll okay, in this way you can find the limit of the function by using Sage Mathematics software. You just insert your function, required function, and at what point you find the limit, you want to find out the limit of the function, you can easily find this by using Sage Mathematics software. I hope you will understand this today's topic. Thank you.